all you filmy people. Welcome to Filmy Esala, where you will get 100% original reviews. Today I will be discussing about The Wild Robot. Wild Robot is a heart-wrenching tale, infused with humor, genuine emotions and breathtaking visuals. I can easily say it's one of the best animated or even one of the best movies in any category of 2024. This movie is directed by the very talented Chris Sanders, who also co-directed How to Train Your Dragon, plus the classic Lilo and Stitch. Let's talk about the story first. The story introduces us to Rosum Unit 7134, or Rose as she eventually is known as. She is a female service robot who is designed to complete every task she is assigned. She somehow gets stuck in a vibrant island which is full of different forms of wildlife, who are both curious and annoyed by this unwelcome guest on their island. They try everything to annoy Rose, to get rid of her. Eventually she comes across an egg which she tries to protect from the notorious fox named Fink. The voice of Fink here is given by Pedro Pascal. The egg later hatches into a cute gosling, which Rose names Brightball. The voice of Brightball is given by Kit Connor. The gosling finally becomes family to Rose. She somehow develops a motherly feeling for the gosling, which she as a robot is not designed to. A beautiful bond forms between the gosling and Rose, plus the animals and the birds living on the island. She must complete the task of making the gosling learn swimming and flying before the annual winter migration of goslings forms the basic storyline of The Wild Robot. So let's now discuss all the positives and the negatives of this movie. First, let's start with the positives. The mesmerizing visuals are one of the highlights of this movie. All the vibrant colors and the overall quality of animation is simply top notch. What's worth mentioning is the detailing in each and every frame. I find it exceptional to say the least. Tiniest expression of each character, even the smallest elements in each frame, is carefully and skillfully crafted. Another positive which I find in this movie is its screenplay. It flows effortlessly from start to finish during its almost 1 hour 42 minutes runtime. The voiceover of all the characters, I would like to say Mamma Mia. The voiceover of Rose is given by Lupita Nyong'o. She has worked in Black Panther series. Her voice is so soothing to the ears. You will feel she is expressing herself, her emotions, joy, her sadness through the voice of Rose. The voice of Fink, given by Pedro Pascal, is funny and mischievous, which suits the character very well. Now it's time for the negatives. Very few negatives are there in this movie. Just that some scenes kind of feel like rushed, so that the movie can quickly wrap up in its runtime. We won't have complained even if it was a bit longer. Other than that, I don't find many flaws in this movie. To wrap up, I think this is one of DreamWorks Studios' best work in recent years. This movie can be enjoyed with your whole family. It has something for everyone. It has that kind of humor which can be enjoyed by both children and adults at the same time. It has the perfect blend of joy and some tear-jerking moments also. So do keep some tissues handy. I would like to give this movie a solid 4.5 stars. As you all know, my channel is relatively quite new, so your love, support and affection will be highly appreciated. It will be very kind of you to subscribe and share this channel. Catch you again soon with another movie review. Until then, stay healthy and keep smiling.